Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel, you see me? So I know this another message where most of you guys want to hear, you get me, but I believe anybody watching this video right now you should definitely listen, you see me? In case you don't wonder which part I'm there right now, I'm there when I'm outside, you see me, where I have a little garden, a little mini garden where just I try one and two stuff like, I think the name again, okra and tomato and some pine tree. You see me? In case you don't want to see it still, I can show you what I go on. I get the pine the other day, you see me? That one, yeah? So I'm just putting in some water for the root and push out faster. And this is, my okra tree. Nice okra tree. You see me? And this now is a tomato tree. So yeah, and that over there, so what is this? Hold on. Which is this? A ginger tree. You see me? So these are all my other pine tree, and this is garlic. You get me? This is my big pine tree, so anytime now I look for like pick a pine out in the middle. Oh, and then over here some my pepper tree. Yeah, so basically I'm there in a milk garden, and like maybe nothing about this for a while. Alright, so I notice say well you must notice say it's been a while since I upload a video. You see me? Well what my thought to say today is that I'm permanently quitting YouTube. Hold on. I know I say, oh, I'm not gonna skip out to the end and see if I true and stuff like that, but it don't make no sense to skip out to the end. It don't make no sense to skip out to the end. You see me? I know I look kinda rough right now, and that's because I just wake, but I have the just wake space, you see me? Cause I get up early and do some cleaning and cook and them something, you see me? Yeah, well I help my mother, you see me? Yeah. And now my day I go and easy my job. Literally just wake and say, what? I have to make a video. You see me? I can't just stop and have you guys waiting, which is my loyal fans and stuff like that. Have you guys waiting forever. You see me? But however, still we have 1 and 2 video where I put on, we can upload CMA. So if you still see me upload, it's not like me I do it right now, like right now. You see me? Those videos were pre-recorded, like hold on. Those videos were pre-recorded and already edit and put on and stuff like that. This now is like right now. Today are the 20. Hold on, let me check. I don't make a mistake. I lose track of the dates because of this lockdown thing. Alright, today are the 29. If you guys want to see, I can show you right here. Today are the 29. Hold on. Focus. See there? Yeah. 29. Alright, so it's no joke. This is actually right now. Right, and this video will go up today. You see me? So the reason for like quitting YouTube. Alright, so if you guys want to know like the reason why I'm quitting YouTube, I don't think I'll be explaining in this video, but I'll definitely tell you guys the reason why. And in case people are say a clickbait or this or that, blah blah blah, this is fake, such and such, it's 100% real. You see me? I know probably can. I don't know if you can see it, but I know you can see it in my face. Say, this is actually true, because the last time we make fun of this, like I did a clickbait the last time. You see me? And you guys were like, oh, I see the tears in my eye. One tears in my eye. Such and such, blah blah blah. Well, I never pull it off good the last time. You see me? I never pull it off good none at all. And if you think I can pull off something this time, nah, this is actually real. You see me? And as I say, the reasons for quitting I'll explain to you guys in the next video. You see me? And I'm thinking about even taking down the Jnel comedy channel.
What up, my youth?
I don't know if that makes sense, or I'm not sure if people still are people. Yeah, well, I know people still are go back and watch like the old 3 questions and stuff like that. You see me? But I'm thinking about like taking down the channel as well and just have it there. Like I'm not gonna like do nothing with it, right? The channel I got there and everything, just in case in the future like I change my mind and say, alright, yo, I want to start this back, I want to upload back some videos. You see me? And to be honest, the only person that can stop me right now from quitting YouTube is God. You see me? Or my fans, which is you guys. You see me? So if you have any word of encouragement, even though you don't know the reason why I'm choosing this option, you see me, you still can probably like comment and say something so I read it, I can say alright, this motivate me. This definitely motivate me. You see me? So I know I have a lot of people out there who support me to 100% and who do want to see me go. Cause some of the time I disappear for like 2 months, 3 months and people like, yo, we're Jnel there, yo, what going for this, what going for that, blah blah blah. People accuse me. You see me? So imagine I should like disappear permanently, like when you see me back unless you see me on the road and recognize me and stuff like that. I mean that will be drastic. You see me? And for all who always support me throughout, for all who always support me throughout the years, you see me, I want to say that I really appreciate you guys. For the long time subscriber them, for the recent subscriber them, who subscribed yesterday and I see this today. You see me? And remember I have contents, put on where I can upload. You see me? So there's no need to unsubscribe. As I said, I weigh my mind if you quit permanent or temporarily. You see me? So I weigh my mind right now. So don't unsubscribe, people. Don't unsubscribe. Don't overdo it. Unsubscribe. You see me? Don't unsubscribe because I know I have my fans in way well want to see videos. But don't unsubscribe. As long as I say, as long as like leave some comment and stuff like that, probably like change your mind. You see me? Yeah. But it's not a decision when I think about for a long time. You see me? But just made it. Because alright, to be honest, why I never really upload like that, or why I not really upload like that is because I don't know, say I have my little boy on the way. You get me? So I have to take some time and some family time and sort out certain things. You understand? So when my son come, him welcome like 100%. You get me? I say so I take some time for like do them thing there. Well, me did that take some time to do them thing there. Like for the past how much weeks from not seeing a video and stuff like that. That is the reason why. You see me? And during that I think I say, yo, I become a father and stuff like that, and I need to like ease myself now. So mentally I don't know where I am with YouTube. You see me? Hence the reason why I'm saying that I'm quitting. You understand? I know by now you can't say this is not a joke. You see me? I know a lot of people still the right just and I say him can't say a joke doing that video. Nobody follow Jnel because Jnel always do this, Jnel always do that. You see me? But any words of encouragement, I love any words of encouragement. Any word of encouragement, I like that. You understand? So if you have any encouraging words and stuff like that, I really appreciate it. So I can change my mind, I can motivate me, I can put me in a spot and say, yo, Jnel, what the f***? Ease yourself. Go out there and make video because the people want to see it. You see me? And for all of the people that see me up on the road and big me up, you see me? Big up on yourself. You get to me, I say, I did book up on a charger at airport, which is Montego Bay Airport in the last week. Last week? Yeah, sometime around the last week. You see me? And brown net brother. And to tell you the truth, before the man even see me, I did see him. Why I say that is, me I get a son, right? I'm not sure if it's a son or a daughter I have, but I see the dog come out of the airport with him youth. You see me? And I say, yo, that should have been me, You see me? Well, that I gotta be me. You see me? And look more from that, my mother end up start exchange words and stuff like that, and she make him know, say, me I can pick her up, blah blah blah, such and such. And I say, and to tell the truth, people, the man make sure stand up and wait for me forward for heal me and say, yo, Jnel, love the work, brother, I swear. You see me? And at the same time, I want to big up my doctor. You see me? Well, I'm not my doctor, because I know me, I got appointments and stuff like that. Dr. Mitchell. Because I didn't want to talk to him about certain things, you know, regarding to, you know, my spouse. And I'm going there, I'm all I see it. You see me? And immediately it was like, Jnel? And I said, yeah man, because I go there around 6-7 times already and this man never yet see me, never know say I'm me, and each time she did it, me did it. You see me? Because I me bring her. And the man said to me, say, yo, I love the video them man as much as how I do at work sometime I'm going stress after a long day and such, blah blah blah. I hear video them go watch such and such, blah blah, and I was like, Dr. Mitchell, watch my video them. You see me? So me I get to understand, say, you know, a lot of people, hold on there. Yeah. So me I get to understand, say, a lot of people watch my video. You see me, bricks up on the road and this lawyer man saw bricks and I was like, yo, love the video them such and such, blah blah blah. You see me? And just to show you, like, everybody watch Jnel. You see me? From kids go straight back. You see me? And from day one that wasn't the aim, because if you notice, like, my video them I have up from 2013, 14 and stuff like that, like there was like curse words and stuff like that. And since people recently, not recently, since like 2015, 16, parents start seeing me and say, yo, I don't like how the bad of them this and that, I'm picking them love your video, blah blah blah. In the earlier stage of YouTube, be kids me used to have as fans. You see me? Since like 2018, 19, 20, we start get some adult fans, middle age, old age. You see me? Because I tell you now, I say the elderly people them know me, like them know me, because I go up on the road and see elderly people, and like, you know, when you go places and you see some elderly people and you know you say morning and stuff like that, but you not expect them to know you. Well, that time I go there and say morning, blah blah blah, and one of the elderly person, like either be male or female, because both of them, you know, have encounters with both of them. You see, man, I say, yo, I love your video, man, such and such, blah blah blah, and I'm like, them people look like them around 60, well 50, I got 60. What am I do with YouTube? What am I do on YouTube? You see me, I know you know an elder right now. I said to me, say, what you mean by what we are doing on YouTube? I know when I said that right now, because I know I have elders I watch. You see me, but big up on yourself, you know. I love the support. You see me, I love the support from the young, middle age, adulthood, elder. You see me, I really love the support. You see me. So where my mind is mentally with the videos on the channel, I think I might end up deleting after a time. Not sure, you see me? I'm making it on mind. You see me? So if you want, like, I don't know what to say, like watch some before delete it, you can do that. You see me? I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, as I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it. You see me? So what time now? What time I see on the phone earlier? It's currently 2:37. Is dinner and everything done already, so I go inside and, you know, get something for consume. I know you wait for me say eat, for you say why, but consume. I food me I eat, so if you don't want to say why, I food the business. You see me? So thanks for making it this far in the video. You see me? And I want you guys to know that a joke I make. I'm a joke. This is actually real. So I don't think at the end of the video I'm gonna come with some bummer. You see me, where I'm gonna say, oh, a joke, blah blah blah. But this is real. This is real. And as I say, if you have any words of encouragement, let me know. Just comment it. You know, I'll go through and read and reply. You see me? To as much as I can, as much as possible. So thank you guys for watching. Don't know get not gonna all meds. You see me? You don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out. You not gone it? Where am I gone now?